Okay, this is our most recent landscaping contract for Terenure. A simple gravel driveway. We've created it using granite slabs bordered by cobbles for apron and central path. We've taken out the existing tarmac driveway, replaced it with gravel core matting and valueless gravel, 14mm. We've replaced and heightened the side gate, installed a new step, 2 beds, formal with Euonymus hedging and privet lollipops. Central path allows enough parking both sides for 2 cars, and the clients are very happy with the results. Thank you.